landing pages, chatbots, whatever you want to call it. But basically, it is all about learning the basics of how to program an actual chatbot that you can post on your web page, put on a landing page, just have it as your main website page even, for folks to actually go to, learn information about your business. Maybe it's your personal preference of whatever you have to offer to your consumers, to your viewers, whoever it may be. But with that being said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and jump into this website right here. It's called landbot.io, and I found this company about a year and a half ago, and all I can say is there has been so many upgrades and new improvements that I just had to jump back in. And so I'm actually, for the first time today, I just look at the website and said, you know what, I got to jump on here and do a live video. And if you're here watching replay, thank you very much for your time. But we're going to talk about a company called landbot.io. So here you have the main page right here. It's a free account to get set up. And of course, they got other packages in there that you can use for your business as well. But what I like about it is all the integrations that they have. Okay, it's important these days to be integrated with many other, AI type softwares and stuff. And just by the way, I just want to make this known. I'm getting into another. I may be doing an overview on another company that uses AI software to do marketing. So it's all going to tie together. But today I just want to focus on the actual building of a chatbot, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how to build your own chatbot for your business, for your personal use, whatever you want to use it for. This is kind of like the new thing that's popping up where having a conversational landing page is really important to your business. It's not the only part of it, but the thing is, it's all about starting a conversation with your consumer, with your prospect, with whoever you're trying to connect with. So with that being said, I'm going to stop talking and we're going to jump right into it, and I'm going to start showing you the value in a chatbot. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So I already got my page opened up. I already signed up for a free account. So we're going to jump right over there. So these were, as you can see, it's his old version right here. That was 8 months ago that I built this. So here we are. We're 8 months later, and all I can say is they got some cool new features on how to get set up. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to start from scratch. We're going to just start a brand new one. So we're going to go up here. It says build a chatbot. How easy is that? So we're going to go ahead and click that button right there. And isn't this cool? You got all these examples of, a product launch, product recommendation, general survey, basic lead generation. And you can see how they have them archived and what people are using the most. So on this basic lead generation, look at that. 28,000 people have built chatbots with this. So that's pretty impressive. Advanced lead generation. You got basic product recommendation. You got email sign-up forms. You got customer feedback. Loan application, job application. Look at this. I mean, this is like every type of application for the business world. NPS, Net Promoter Score. You got event registration, travel feedback, frequent asked questions, conversational resume template. Wow. When I first signed up, they only had like 6 templates. So this is really impressive. University feedback template. That's interesting. Lead generation for insurance. Mortgage application. Okay. I know some folks in the mortgage industry. That's interesting. Doctor feedback for healthcare. I know some folks in the healthcare industry. Doctor appointment scheduling. Interesting. So that is, so I can start from scratch. I don't even use any of these templates, but you know what? You know what I may do? I may go up to the basic lead generation, because that's basically what, if you think about right down to the nutshell of what people want to do, is gather, email addresses. They want to gather phone numbers. They want to know who you are. They want to know your interest. This all ties into artificial intelligence. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and pick the basic generation form right here. Less is more. Use this simple basic lead generation template to get contact information from your visitors. Think of the fun, dynamic, engaging form that actually interacts with your visitors. So let's go ahead and pick that one. Wow, look at that. So this is just the basic lead generation. You can right up here you can use actual GIFs. So that's something I'll probably do on a different live. I'll show you how to make GIFs and put into your chatbot here. But as you can see, it's pretty simple. It says welcome, hi there, welcome to our site, and it says question. So it's going to ask you for your name, and then right here it's going to say nice to meet you. Then it's just going to say, just in case we get disconnected, can I have your email address? I mean, that's being honest. And then thank you for your name. We'll send you an email with the details. Okay. So this whole space gives you so much room to build so much more in this. So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and start designing it. So right up here, send a message, ask a question, use some power-ups, integrations. Okay, so that's important. That's the simple part of building a chatbot. And then you have advanced features right here, which of course you can put buttons in there. You can put media buttons. You can put the email, send email. This all has a functionality that's important for creating chatbots. So it's even got questions, your name, text, email. I'm not going to go through every one, but as you can see, it's pretty cool. Look at that. It integrates with Zapier, MailChimp, Slack, Stripe. If you want to take transactions, Google Analytics. I mean, look. I mean, this is awesome. Okay, so let's go up. Let's go back to the simple features. So you got your dashboard, you got create bot from scratch, create bot from a template, which we're already on a template. You got the channels, which is a WhatsApp channel. You got chats, and then down here, what's new. It basically keeps you up to date with what they have updated. Feedback you can put, notifications. You can set notifications to your phone when people actually go to your chatbot. So how cool is that? And then there's a help button there. Okay, so let's go back up here and let's look at this. So you have a design. So I can design a template. So that's actually what it looks like. I can change the design template if I want. So let's go to, let's make it like it's a business setting, okay? Or we can make it just plain like that. Make it just plain. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's do, I like the human takeover one. Actually, you know what? Let's just go up to the very original one and let's hit apply. Logo. Okay, so if you want to put a logo up there, say you are... Just say my name. I can change the logo. So let's add a logo in there. I'm going to put, let's see here. I'm actually looking in, let's just put this right there. Chatbot avatar, so if you want to change that, let's find something in desktop. Let's go into kind of want to put a face in there, so I don't know what that is. Let's see what that comes up with. There you go. That's my face that's in, I made in virtual reality. Okay, so I can scale it up, make it a big face. Okay. And then once you get that set, go ahead and make the changes. Just hit apply. Okay, so let's go to colors and background. You can change all this right up here. Maybe I want to put a video. As my main template. Okay. Let's see here. That looks good. I'm just going to go ahead and hit apply. Fonts. If I want to change the size of the font, I can right here. Change the style of the font. Let's make it. There we go. I like that one. And I think, let's see if you can go bigger on the fonts. Let's go 20. Oh, yes you can. Okay, go ahead, hit apply. Advanced. This is, okay, I'd have to upgrade to get into the advanced features, but we'll just go ahead and exit out of that. Okay, so settings. Let's go into our settings. So as you upgrade the features, right now it's going to put, use Lambot.io or Lambot.io is a, they're going to promote their web center, but you can actually take those out. But let's go look at this, input text. So you can set these all up as your placeholders. So if you're making multiple chatbots, you can already have the text already programmed in there. Help text, buttons. You can change these around. Personal fields. As you can see, you can put all your information there, so it's always in there. Error messages. I won't mess with that. Leave that alone. Okay, SEO tracking. So you can put. This would be like if you open it up on your website, it'll put it up on the top. So you can put meta title, I would say Robert Carlisle. Upload an image. Let's go back and use my face. Okay, upload favorite icon. Just put my face on there again. Site description for search engines. This is important. You can say Robert Carlisle digital media in virtual reality creator. If you have Google Analytics, you can put that ID in there. Facebook Pixel ID, you can put that in there. Custom track. Okay, go ahead and apply changes. Let's go to hidden fields. Okay, that's an upgrade feature. Type in emulation. That's all set. Okay, so that the settings are all done. Let's go ahead and go to, let's go back to preview, and I just want to look at how this looks. Okay, so I just click hi. Saying first thing first, what's your name? Just put my name in there. Nice to meet you, Robert C. Just in case we get disconnected, can I have your email address? Absolutely. Okay, so there you go. So let's go to, so you can do in desktop mode. You can view it in, like on your phone. And this helps when you're creating to make sure you get everything the way you want it. So let's go back to close that. So let's go into analyze. So this is the analytics. This is the back of the house. This is shows you, you know, who is chatting with you, the leads you got, goals. If you set a percentage of like, hey, you know, I want to get at least 3 leads today, you can set that up, and then you can have it for finish, meaning like if you're going to be like a help desk or support, you can say, hey, I took this ticket. You can make tickets with this as well. Okay, here's the user. Don't have anybody in there right now. Flow analytics. This basically shows how far they got in the chatbot and which one's the most popular. So then that way, maybe there's something, maybe you can revise your chatbot. Maybe you don't need to ask them for something. Maybe you need to add something else in there for it to be more successful. So this is really good for, you know, following up and seeing what's working best in your chatbot. So we're going to go ahead and hit save. Preview. Check it out. I'm going to go ahead and share this. So here you go. You can share it as a full page. You can share it as a pop-up. You can share it as an embedded function. You can even share it as a live chat. So here you have, if you have like a website, HTML, you can go ahead and copy that link right there, upload it to your website, and this is whichever one you have set up is how it's going to pop up. So of course on a website you'd probably want that one. So it's just on the bottom right hand corner. And most people, or most websites you'll see where people use that for their support. So that, and then it helps, you know, get people to the right department. So you can put it for support, you can put it for sales, you can put it for frequent asked questions. I mean, you can, the sky's the limit on what you can do with this. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. Let me go ahead and hit share. I can share it right on Facebook. So here we have it. Just created a quick chatbot there you go. Let me, oh, misspelled that. Let me know your thoughts. And I can post it just like that. There we go. So now that I just posted to Facebook. And so let's see what else we can cover. Let's go back to the website. So pricing. Let me see if I can change this to, it looks like it's in pounds there. I think if I log in and create an account with the US, then it'll show. But anyways, so you have a sandbox plan, which you get up to 100 chats per month. 30 blocks, meaning you can put 30 actual blocks in your chatbot, which that's more than enough. I found that doing 15 to 25 is more than enough. Web embedding is important. Zapier integration, that's great. Slack integration, awesome. Analytics dashboard to see how it's performing, awesome. And it also has a human takeover. So what that means is it'll actually send to your phone that someone's on your chatbot asking you questions. So you can actually immediately take over the chatbot and be texting them right then and there. So folks, I mean, for 100 chats in a month, I mean, that could be 100 potential customers that you could be talking to for free, okay? So getting into the Star plan, which looks like probably about $28 a month, unlimited chats and blocks, that's probably really good if you're going to build like a support chatbot where it helps people get the answers that they need so they're not talking to a live person. Mailchimp integration, that's cool. Facebook Messenger integration, that's awesome. So you can connect your Facebook right into it and be partnered up with Facebook. A lot of people use Facebook, so of course that's great. A/B testing split, that's cool. You can see, you know, hey, maybe you should have used this. So give them recommendations. You can have 2 chatbots built and see which one's doing the best. Hidden fields, that's cool. Let's see if we got to open this up here. Cover all features. There we go. Okay. Unlimited chat. So wow, you can just go through the whole thing here. You got Stripe integration with it. So if you want the full bells and whistles, there's the business plan, which you got to get a custom quote for that, which most likely Lambot.io will probably build it for you. And then you got professional plan right there, where basically you can do all yourself. That's a good one. Callback, chat support, that's important. So it looks like if you purchase it for 1 whole year, you get 30% off. Right there. Let's go back to the top. WhatsApp integration. So it looks like you can combine it if you use WhatsApp, which is part of a Facebook solution. Oh, another cool thing with chatbots, you can actually have multiple agents on there that you have people logged into your chatbot. So that way, if you have like a team, say you have a team of network marketers, they're all in the same team, and that's the main chatbot that goes to that main page. And say you're not available to do live, it'll actually go to the next agent. So then that way, everybody's getting support on there. Campaigns you can do, integrations, and matrix. Single WhatsApp message is worth 1,000 words. Totally believe that. Application without limits. So if you're wondering how all these people are doing all the heavy lifting, they're using a chatbot for their business. It works very well. Let's go back up. About us. So I remember when it was just 2 guys that started this, and now they're a pretty big company. I know they're working with, I believe they're working with Uber and a couple other big companies. But all I can say, folks, from when I first saw them, even back then it was pretty cool with what they had set up. So that right there speaks 1,000 words. It's really simple to use. If you need help building a chatbot, by all means, message me direct right on my Facebook Messenger there. Happy to have a conversation with you. But again, folks, I really appreciate your time. I hope you found some value in this. Don't be intimidated to jump on there and just start pushing buttons, and create a bunch of chat bots, test them out, and see how they work for your business. If you have any questions on how to get set up, or if you need a chat bot built for you, by all means reach out to me. Happy to consult you with what would best work for you. So again, stay tuned for some more information on using artificial intelligence. So in a way, this is artificial intelligence. It's just you're building the chatbot yourself. It's what your mind is, what you're putting into this. So the way you think is the way it's going to react. But a lot of people, just don't know where to start with building a chatbot. So again, here to help you, here to give you some consultation, roll out the red carpet for you, be a concierge service for you, and happy to assist. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. I hope this brought some value to you, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.